Hi everyone, this is Forlisa here with Homebody. If you have not subscribed to Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. Okay, you guys, so you may recall at the first of the year I did a vision video of different things that I wanted God to bless my family with, and this is one of them, you guys. Yes, thanking God for blessing me with kitchen cabinets. It's simple things that I'm thankful for, like kitchen cabinets, you guys. So so we did not have cabinets, a full set of cabinets on this side. We only had one cabinet, and that was the one above the stove, which is what we did when we got the house built, because we actually ended up paying cash for getting our home built. So we just did the bare minimum of what we needed in order to get in our home, and we've just been doing different things since we've moved in here. So anyway, the guys are installing our new custom made cabinets. I like them. I'm going to end up getting some crown molding eventually, but for now this is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and let this video play. It's only maybe about a minute longer. Now, I did paint the cabinets in this video, and the only thing I'm not going to do in this video is like style my cabinets, like put any decor or anything on it. And I'm also not going to put the hardware on the cabinets yet, because I'm trying to find some hardware similar to the ones on the other cabinets on the opposite wall. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.